welcome to the unboxing of the ProElite flip case cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. This is less of an unboxing and more of an unpacking, as you can see. You can notice the ProElite logo right over here. I'm just going to remove this package and show the case to you. So this is it. This is what the case looks like. It has this texture on the outside. You can see there's this rough texture on the outside. It looks like leather, but it's not. But it's protective regardless. There is this pocket over here. This is where you can put your stylus for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. The interior is also leather, but this has a softer touch to it. So, to keep the tab protected. And also notice the hole for the camera right over here. As mentioned earlier, this is a flip case, so you can fold this part over here and then rest the tablet on this surface and then use it like this as well. Use it in this particular angle. And that's it. That's what you find inside the package containing the ProElite flip case cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Thank you for watching.